Let's be honest. How many hours have you lost standing in the laundry room, waiting for clothes to finish? You load them in, pour detergent, press the button, and still, the process drags on. Sometimes, it feels like laundry is a never-ending cycle, stealing precious time from your life. But what if I told you there's a genius hack, actually, a few, that can make laundry faster, cleaner, and easier than ever before? Hacks that professional cleaners and smart households use to save hours every week. And today, I'm going to reveal them all. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon. Because these hacks aren't just about cleaning clothes, they're about reclaiming your time. Hack number 1. Pre-sorting is the secret weapon. Most people wait until laundry day to separate whites, colors, and delicates. That single step eats up 10 to 15 minutes before you even start. The genius trick? Use 3 hampers, one for whites, one for colors, one for special fabrics. Every time you toss dirty clothes, they're already sorted. When it's time to wash, all you do is grab the bin and load. No last-minute sorting, no stress. Professionals swear by this system because it saves both time and mistakes. No more pink shirts because a red sock snuck in. Hack number 2. Use the right detergent dose. Less is more. Here's a shocking truth. Using too much detergent doesn't make your clothes cleaner. It actually slows the wash cycle. Excess soap creates more suds, forcing your machine to rinse longer. The result? Extra time, extra water, and clothes that don't even feel fresh. The genius hack is simple. Follow the line on the detergent cap, but then use slightly less. Modern detergents are concentrated, meaning a smaller dose cleans just as well. Less detergent means shorter cycles, cleaner clothes, and faster drying because there's no sticky residue left behind. Hack number 3. The spin speed shortcut. Drying clothes takes forever, and dryers eat electricity. But here's the pro trick. Increase your washer's spin speed. A higher spin extracts more water during the wash cycle, meaning clothes enter the dryer already halfway dry. It's like cutting drying time in half without lifting a finger. And if you air dry your clothes, they'll drip less and dry faster on the line. It's a tiny button most people ignore, but it can save you hours every week. Hack number 4. Dryer ball magic. Ever wonder why clothes sometimes stick together in the dryer, trapping moisture? That slows everything down. The genius hack here. Toss in a couple of dryer balls, wool or rubber. They bounce around, separate fabrics, and improve air circulation. The result? Clothes dry faster, wrinkles reduce, and you use less energy. If you don't have dryer balls, even clean tennis balls can do the job. It's one of those small hacks that feels too simple, but once you try it, you'll never go back. Hack number 5. The overnight hack. Laundry while you sleep. The ultimate time-saving secret. Let your laundry work while you rest. Many modern machines have a delay start feature. Load your clothes at night, set the timer, and by morning, everything is washed and ready to dry. You wake up with one chore already done. No wasted morning minutes, no waiting around. It feels like magic, your laundry working in the background while you dream. And if you combine this with the spin speed shortcut and dryer balls, you'll cut laundry time almost in half. From endless chore to effortless routine. So there you have it, 5 genius hacks that transform laundry from an endless chore into a quick, efficient routine. Pre-sort clothes daily. Use less detergent for faster cycles. Maximize spin speed. Add dryer balls for quicker drying. And let your machine work while you sleep. These aren't complicated tricks. They're small adjustments that save you hours every week. And when you add them up, you don't just get cleaner clothes. You get more time for yourself, your family, and the things that actually matter. If this video gave you even one new idea to save time, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's always drowning in laundry. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the smartest hacks are the simplest ones.